Back. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to set a profile video on TikTok. You want a profile picture to be video, let's go and set it. Let's get started. You open up TikTok. Now you come to this your profile, then you come to this, click on the plus menu button here. Now I'm going to choose a short video now. Click on this. Let's see, this is video. Yeah guys, welcome back. So today I'm going to show you how to trim a TikTok video after recording. You have recorded finished and you want to shut the video, you want to trim it. How do you go about it? Stay to the end. But before that, please subscribe. It helps me a lot. Thank you. Now you open your TikTok. When you open your TikTok, what you need to do is click on those plus menu. Yeah guys, welcome back. So today I'm going to show you how to trim a TikTok video. You can see I'll be setting the video. It's very easy. It's very easy. Just click on the video and you press it and you're going to load. Once it's load is going to see that's going to be playing here. So it's very easy. So guys, if this helps, subscribe, like and comment. Thank you guys.